Hello, this is a quick overview of how to build a server in Terraform on OpenStack. First you need a provider, basically cut and paste that in. All it's doing is saying we're using OpenStack, not using VMware, anything like that, and it'll load all the information it needs to know to process and build a server. Second bit is the resources we're using on OpenStack. So you'll have you name the server you're going to build, the image which might be in your repo on OpenStack somewhere. This we're using focal, flavor name, which will be number of CPUs, disk space, memory. It's not like VMware where you can just say what certain amount of memory you've got to attach it to the build, and if you want to change your memory, you've got to basically tell it you're going to use a different flavor. So anyway, you need your flavor there, which you should know. Key pair, SSH key pair, which you should have on the server. If not, create one and put the name of it there. User data, this bit shows you or tells it to run an extra section. So it's data, cloud init, min.io, rendering, which is this bit here. Data, cloud init, min.io, and the rendering bits. That's what it's going to do there. Next bit is a network. This basically will be your OpenStack, what network to use inside the OpenStack. And then this bit here is just showing you different ways to run different scripts. So here we're just basically running two scripts, which is a hello script .sh and a hello script .python, and then we're going to run a cloud init config.yaml, which is the cloud init. I'm not going to go through this on this little lesson, but I'll just quickly go over the important thing about this. When you run this, it puts it in a directory on the server you're building, var lib cloud instances scripts. Yeah, well, it'll run in alphabetical order. So what you'll notice there, I've actually called that hello script, but it actually puts it on the server as script 2. That hello script there, it puts it on the server as script 1, which means it's going to run these in order. It'll run that one, then that one. This is the important bit. With the cloud init script, you can tell it whatever you want to put it on there. You can give it whatever name you want, but when it actually puts it on there, it will rename it as run.sh. So because it's run.sh, if I call these for instance a script, these scripts would run first and it won't work because it'll have no proxies or anything set up, anything I need it to configure to actually make it run these scripts, depending what script you want. But basically you've got to call these anything after R. So obviously S comes after R, so what it's going to do, it'll run that script, which automatically gets named as run.sh. Then it'll run script 1 and script 2, which are basically copied from my local server in the directory you're working from them three scripts, which are in here. So you basically put all these files in your directory, run this script, and it'll build the server. I'll do another little course on cloud init, how to get that working, and that's about it. One last little thing: when you actually build a server, don't forget to run your OpenStack variable in the top right of the OpenStack GUI. You can download an RC script that has all the information about your OpenStack server, and to run it you do // and the name of the file you say it as. It'll ask you for the password, put the password in, and it'll load all your variables to connect to your OpenStack server. You can obviously add that to a script and have it run Terraform as well. The reason why it's // is because it needs to load in this shell. Without the first dot, it won't load in the current shell. It'll create a new shell, load in it, kill the shell, and you won't have any information. So this just keeps it within the shell that you're actually typing in. And that's it. Speak to you later. Bye.